Hi there. What we're going to try to do today is try and get this meringue mixture right, if I haven't left it too long. Now the thing is, not just a bit of extra sugar. Oh, okay. I think I won't want the extra sugar. So, maybe that was the thing. Maybe I just needed to let it sit for a couple of days, because it has gone hard as... What happens if you get a heap of hard meringue mixture and do it? Do a whole heap. I reckon I might have solved the problem. Just let it sit for a bit longer. But anyway, we will see. Now the problem is, it's not a problem really. If it works, I'm going to have a lot of meringues to myself to eat. Might have to take some into work, eh? Share them with the folks on D Crew. Pre-strip 1. Okay, better try and keep them close to the same size and see how they go. Not sure, can I get it into a ball properly? No, it crumbles. Well, that's stuffed, isn't it? Although I do remember someone who made it for me once years ago. She used to keep the mixture in the fridge. So I will see whether it worked or not. And do a batch. There we go. See what happens, eh? In like Flynn. I'll go 1 minute, because there's not just one. And we'll see what happens. I don't know whether we're getting results or not. Yes, we are. Things are happening. They're spreading. They're not staying well formed, but they're going like bickies. It's going to end up being one big meringue by the looks of it. But they are forming upwards, not just out and a mess. We're going to have one big meringue. Okay, well, the plate's not too hot this time. It's got a hard surface to it. And I reckon it's slightly underdone. Hopefully letting go that bit extra time didn't stuff it. A bit more. Ooh. It was starting to rise up then. How's that for experimentation? Okay. I reckon I should do this again. Not quite. So, clear. 1, 2, 3. Wash my hands. Okay, well, what you can use that for is if you're going to do like a Pavlova dish. Oh, perfect. Perfect crunch. It did stick to the paper a bit, but yeah. Well, I need to use all this mixture up. So what I'm going to do is let that lie. And I'll do a bit more. Use up the rest of it and see if I can mix a bit more of the icing sugar in with it. Let's see where we go, eh? Got to use this up. So I don't know whether, and it's definitely worth using because it definitely tastes good. So knead it like bread, eh? And flatten it out. Or maybe, yeah, let's try something different. It's gonna join up together anyway. Let's just put it in one big ball. Two minutes. I definitely don't want to keep all that. This is a real house. They're in real shit. It's not some fake studio kitchen. We are experimenting. Oh no. Put a bit of that in there, keep that thing out. We're going to handle a bit more, a bit of antibacterial stuff. Hygiene, folks, hygiene. So what I'm going to have to do is get some cream, some bit of cake and stuff, and jelly, and crisp that on top of a trifle, I reckon. Or just eat it as is. But that one is really starting to puff up. It's spread, it's puffed out, it's almost the size of the friggin' holy guacamole. Seriously, man, that's just a Pavlova. Without the shape. You could decorate that with cream and strawberries and kiwi fruit, bit of passion fruit. Awesome stuff. Yeah. Probably about another 30 seconds. Whoops, not minutes. Need to clean me microwave a bit. That's a little bit messy of me, isn't it? You don't discover new things unless you experiment and try the new things.